Howdy, thanks for joining me today. I got a new camera, security camera. I'm watching you. Let's check it out. HD Wi-Fi indoor-outdoor camera kit. Quick start guide. Okay. We've got the camera there. Looks like it's got LEDs around the camera itself. It's got a pretty heavy-duty metal outside casing. Okay. It's got the connector for your antenna, the power cable connector. Alright, here is the mounting bracket. You can go ahead and mount it inside drywall there. Also, again, heavy duty metal. Adjustable. And it looks like everything in here is metal, so that's pretty cool. Antenna, adjustable. All right, we got our power cable. Plugs in. Total cable length's about 7 feet with the connector from the camera to the cable. Quick installation. Take your camera, take your antenna, like so. Then we need to attach the base. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and mount the base first wherever you're going to put it. Plug it in. Either attach it to the base or the top. It's ready for setup mode. All right, we need to go to the store, the Play Store or the iTunes Store. We need to look for the Zmodo app. All right, we want to install that app. Open it up. Sign up for a new account. All right. You have to allow Zmodo to take pictures and record video, to access photos, media, and files, and to know the location. Add a device. Okay, we have a wireless device. Make sure the device is plugged in.
Please scan the QR code with your device.
All
Hold
right.
the screen in front of the camera until you hear the next message. If you need additional help, tap the Help button at the top right.
Once you have it set up in the app, you can see under My Modes, you have different modes that you can set up. So if you are away, then you are able to have different notifications sent. So let's hit the Edit button under My Modes. All right, so it says Away, and it shows you that on the right-hand side, the camera will be on, notifications will be on when there's movement and stuff like that, and sharing will be on. So let's go back to the next one. If you're home, then it'll say camera is on, but notifications are off. So it won't send you notifications while you're home because it'll be watching, but you're home to be there. And then it has share on, stuff like that. Also, you can go to live view or playback. So with playback, you have the ability to get a subscription, a cloud service. They give you 30 days for free. But you can also go to live view. And live view, you can turn it sideways so that you see HD quality right there. And you see that it's pretty clear. On the top, it has the time, it has the date, and it's pretty clear. And setup only takes about 3 to 4 minutes. And yeah, it's pretty awesome. And you see I'm in a low light condition right now, and the quality is pretty darn clear, so it's not bad at all.